Hello and welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to switch off the read receipts in Instagram so people don't know if you have already read their message or not. So open up the Instagram app first, then go to the top right, bottom right corner where you see your profile picture. Then you will see this page. Go to the top right corner and press those three lines to open up the settings. Wait until they load, scroll down to messages and story replies. And then here in the middle you will see the show read receipt. And yeah, so by default they are toggled on, but if you want to switch them off, just toggle them off and then people won't know if you have already read their message or not. Yeah, that's already it. So I hope it helped. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.